Tommy.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, crime drama. Drama more Tommy 99 of 307 the best shows cancelled. After a single season 47 of 124 all the TV shows that ended in 2020. Ranked 91 of 95 the best serial cop dramas of all time.
Whistleblower.
Premiered 2018 genres TV true crime.
Pink Collar Crimes.
Premiered 2018 genres TV documentary.
Rogue.
Premiered 2019 genres TV sitcom, family sitcom.
All Rise.
Premiered 2019 genres TV, legal drama, drama more All Rise 155 of 245 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years 46 of 54 the best drama TV shows airing now 69 of 78 the best CBS shows of all time.
Love Island.
Premiered 2019 genres TV, reality TV, dating reality more Love Island 95 of 264 the best TV shows returning in 2021 151 of 166 the best TV shows returning in 2020 127 of 195 the dumbest reality shows of all time.
Instinct.
Genres TV, police procedural, thriller, drama more Instinct 93 of 185 the best new shows that premiered in 2018 208 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate 7 of 21 the best new procedural dramas of the last few years.
Tough as Nails.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, reality competition more Tough as Nails 23 of 85 reality shows that involve actual skill 8 of 77 the best reality TV shows of 2021 27 of 34 the best sports and athletic competition TV shows ever.
The Code.
Premiered 2019 genres TV, drama.
Game On.
Premiered 2020 genres TV, game show more Game On 38 of 56, the best newer TV shows the whole family can enjoy 56 of 56. The best game shows to play along at home 186 of 608 the best new TV shows of 2020.
Tuning Out the News.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, news, comedy, animation.
Star Trek Lower Decks.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, adult animation, comedy more Star Trek, Lower Decks 54 of 75 sci-fi shows you should be watching now 12 of 19 the best current TV shows about space 46 of 327 the best 2020 original streaming platform shows.
The Stand.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, adventure, drama, dark fantasy, horror more The Stand, what The Stand cast should look like, according to the book 321 of 677 the best original streaming shows of the last few years, 27 of 33 the best television adaptations of Stephen King's work.
Be Positive.
Premiere 2020 genres TV, Sitcom More Be Positive 282 of 308 The Greatest Sitcoms in Television History 12 of 70 The Best New TV Sitcoms of the Last Few Years 75 of 119 The Funniest TV Shows in 2020
$1 Million Mile.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Reality Competition.
Interrogation.
Premiered 2020 Genres TV, Crime Drama, True Crime.
Why Women Kill.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Comedy Drama, Dark Comedy, Drama, Crime More Why Women Kill 133 of 220 The Greatest TV Shows for Women 252 of 283 The Best Female-Led TV Shows 27 of 40 The Best Current TV Shows starring movie stars.
Celebrity Undercover Boss.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Reality.
One Day at a Time.
Premiered 2017 Genres TV,
Blood and Treasure.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Action, Adventure More Blood and Treasure 35 of 77 The Best New Adventure TV Series of the Last Few Years 21 of 64 The Best New Action Shows of the Last Few Years 35 of 37 The Best Action Shows on TV right now.
FBI.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Procedural Drama.
FBI Declassified.
Premiered 2020 Genres TV, Crime, Documentary More The FBI Declassified 188 of 271 The Best Documentary Series and TV Shows 83 of 87 The Best Crime Documentary Series 96 of 119 The Best New Television Documentaries of 2020
Equalizer.
Premiered 2021 Genres TV, Action, Crime, Drama, Spy, Mystery More The Equalizer 63 of 86 The Best Black TV Shows of the Last Few Years 66 of 73 The Best Current TV Shows for Women, ranked 175 of 399 The Greatest TV Dramas of All Time.
Tell Me a Story.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Psychological Thriller, Anthology Series More Tell Me a Story 18 of 18 The Creepiest Shows on TV right now 24 of 29 The Darkest Anthology Series 13 of 31 The Best Current CW Shows.
Clarice.
Premiered 2021 Genres TV, Crime, Drama More Clarice 138 of 283 The Best Female-Led TV Shows 211 of 399 The Greatest TV Dramas of All Time 45 of 78 The Best CBS Shows of All Time.
The World's Best.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Reality Competition.
Magnum P.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Crime Drama More Magnum P. 61 of 74 The Best TV Reboots and Revivals 13 of 22 The Best 80s TV Reboots 31 of 37 The Best Action Shows on TV right now.
The Red Line.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Drama.
Salvation.
Premiered 2017 Genres TV, Suspense, Drama.
9JKL.
Genres TV, Sitcom.
Superior Donuts.
Genres TV, Sitcom. More Superior Donuts. 36 of 86 the best black TV shows of the last few years. 43 of 45 the best CBS comedies of all time. 38 of 57 the best and worst TV shows ending in 2018.
Fan.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Sitcom. More Fam. 109 of 116 the best shows about families. 63 of 138 the best new comedy shows of the last few years. 32 of 35 the best 2010s CBS comedy shows.
Wisdom of the crowd.
Genres TV, Drama.
Hearts Abishola.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Sitcom. More Hearts Abishola. 29 of 32 the best TV sitcoms, airing now. 40 of 42 the best black TV shows in 2021. 6 of 70 the best new TV sitcoms of the last few years.
FBI Most Wanted.
Premiered 2020 Genres TV, Crime Drama, Drama.
Evil.
Premiered 2019 Genres TV, Supernatural, Thriller, Drama. More Evil. 42 of 71 the best new cable dramas of the last few years. 20 of 22 these occult detective shows are on the Scary Case. 133 of 191 the best 2010s drama series.
Star Trek Short Treks.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Science Fiction, Anthology. More Star Trek Short Treks. 70 of 141 the best TV spin-offs. 30 of 44 the best new sci-fi shows of the last few years. 44 of 83 the best anthology TV series. Rank.
TKO Total Knockout.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Competition Reality.
Strange Angel.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Drama Biography. More Strange Angel. 166 of 185 the best new shows that premiered in 2018. 19 of 42 the best new historical drama TV series of the last few years. 29 of 44 the best CBS dramas of all time.
Star Trek Picard.
Premiered 2020 Genres TV, Science Fiction, Drama. More Star Trek Picard. Easter eggs and references from Star Trek Picard that are futile to resist. 41 of 677 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. 51 of 300 the best sci-fi television series of all time.
SEAL Team.
Premiered 2017 Genres TV, Drama. More SEAL Team. 16 of 54 the best drama TV shows, airing now. 56 of 166 the best TV shows returning in 2020. 58 of 94 the best TV shows returning fall 2018.
The Neighborhood.
Premiered 2018 Genres TV, Comedy. More The Neighborhood. 30 of 30 these fish out of water TV shows are the catch of the day. 33 of 39 the best current TV shows about family, 11 of 40 the best TV sitcoms of 2020.
SWAT.
Premiered 2017 genres TV. Drama more SWAT 72 of 95 the best serial cop dramas of all time, 5 of 21 the best new procedural dramas of the last few years, 20 of 77 the best new adventure TV series of the last few years.
The Unicorn.
Premiered 2019 genres TV. Sitcom more The Unicorn 20 of 31 the best current CBS shows, 64 of 129 the best 2010s sitcoms, 97 of 100 the best 2010s CBS series.
Carol's Second Act.
Premiered 2019 genres TV. Sitcom more Carol's Second Act, 277 of 308 the greatest sitcoms in television history, 107 of 307 the best shows canceled after a single season, 36 of 124 all the TV shows that ended in 2020. Rank.
Star Trek Discovery.
Premiered 2017 genres TV.
Twilight Zone.
Premiered 2019 genres TV. Anthology, drama, fantasy, horror more The Twilight Zone. Small details from The Twilight Zone that make the show much better. 8 of 14 visually stunning TV shows that are trash. 14 of 45 the best supernatural thriller series.
Young Sheldon.
Premiered 2017 genres TV.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.